ng gulay. Abangan guys! Samahan niyo ako guys, magluluto ko ng lunch namin. So I have with me shrimp, alimango, and then I have also salmon, and yung mga fish na I don't know what's the name, pero yung malalaking isda. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong lulutuin ko. Actually, di talaga ako marunong magluto, pero alam mo yon, kailangan pag-aralan. And samahan niyo ako guys. Tara sa kusina kung maliit. Thank you! I'm going to put some salt and a gelato. And then of course, meron siya. Use this to make it anghang. And so then, tingnan natin this. First time ko magluto nito. Nag-order na lang sana ako. Ay, sana nag-order. Tayo ko magluto nito.
Kapag po.
You have the salt and ito the butter ko pa siya. Ay, hindi. This one is another fish for paksiw. Sobrang fresh din yung isda. Wala. We have the pink salmon. And we have the salmon. Na-brush ko na siya. Pinag-brush ko pa ulit. Ako lang pong kakain ito. Ayaw nila. Pero mataba. So, I have just cleaned the shrimp. Ayan, nalinis ko na yan. Wala na. Kasi iyo ko na hindi ko na pinakita sa inyo paano ko ginagawa. So, it's clean and ready. Shrimps, nalinis ko na, and alimasag for lunch, and steamed gulay. Steam tayo ng gulay, and steamed gulay. So I have cut na the broccoli, and steam ko lang ito. There you go. Also some part of this one. Yes, I'm going to steam gulay. Steam lang this one. I don't know how to do it, pero go. Paitsa-itsa. Makakain din to. Laman tiyan. So, ayan. Kumukulo na yung gulay. Boiling lang to. Ilang minutes lang. Tapos, ilalagay sa malamig na water. Tama ba? Am I right? Tama. And then, I'm going to put a little of salt also. And to taste. Lang. Kasi yung anak ko, iba yung food niya. Thank you guys! So yun guys, magkakalabos na shrimp na tayo. Umpisahan na natin. So this is the shrimp. Cute. So I have shown you na the shrimp. So isa-isahin ko para hindi yung shrimp ay hindi yung sabaw mapunta dun sa ano. Konti lang to kasi imimix ko siya mamaya sa alimasag. Miss Japanese, I'm cooking shrimp. Wait lang. I'll show you the shrimp later. Okay. I will put a little of this. Inopen ko na siya para practical. Ayan, for practicality. I'm going to put some onion. Garlic. Cook. For halabos. No bashing kasi si Inday gutom na, hindi marunong magluto. Yan. No bashing. Masarap na din yan pag naluto, di ba? Yan, that's the cooking shrimp na. Konti lang po kasi sasama ko siya sa alimasag later. Wait and see. See, it's almost cooked, pero a little pa. It's over. So done cooking the shrimp. Ay, tanggal na lang. There you go. Yum, yum. I'm going to cook the salmon. It's salmon time, so I'll put a little of olive oil. Olive oil. I put a little of olive oil para lang to cook. Para hindi masunog yung butter. Sobrang little ba yun? Sobrang konti ba yun? Sakto lang muna, no? So, may water yung fish. I'm so full. I'm sorry. Tatakbo uli ako pag natalsikan na ako. Put some garlic para bumango. Then, yun naman, para hindi ako matalsikan. Ayan, meron pala naman akong pang cover. But I cannot see what's going inside. Is it okay to open? Ako, biglang may tumalsik. Tatakbo talaga ako. There you go. Yummy. One more baliktad before butter. And I put a little butter. Here's the butter already. And I will add after. There is butter already. Let's cover it. Oh my god, putok-putok. Oh, there's the grilled salmon and butter. Not grilled. Fried. Can you hear that? Nagpuputok-putok pa yung ayoko pa siyang i-open, baka matalsikan ako. Yung mahirap talaga hindi ka marunong magluto, di ba? So, let's see. Tingnan natin. I think this is okay now. Oh, pink salmon. And, ang bango, guys. So, I'm boiling this for my alimasag. So, this is the pink salmon. Whatever it is, ang sarap naman. This is ready to eat. Ready to eat. Hindi pa luto. Hindi pa luto. Hindi pa luto. Ready to eat. Ready to eat. Sabay-sabay na yung maingay. Matagal ata mag-boil nito. Lunch is ready. Okay, lunch is ready. Dinamihan ko talaga ng water para lutong-luto yung ano. It's boiling. Ongoing pa rin ang pag-ano natin. To boil. Kanin lang ang katapat. Kainan na. Tikiman na. Maraming salamat for supporting my channel. This is Meldy Baldovino Vlogs. Bye! So yun na nga, kung ano-ano lang ang niluto ko. Okay naman. So pwedeng pagtyagaan. At least lutong bahay. Maraming salamat guys for supporting my channel, Meldy Baldovino Vlogs.
Meldy Baldovino Vlogs. Supportahan po natin ha. Kay Papis Meldy.
Inabati ko lang si Meldy Baldovino at syempre subscribe na rin tayo kay Meldy Baldovino Vlogs para na matuwa siya na kayo'y nagsisubscribe sa kanya. Please do subscribe to Meldy Baldovino Vlogs. Irani mga bate at ako, kahit ako, magsusubscribe.
Surprise, Miss Meldy! Miss Meldy, this is amazing, Betong Sumaya. At syempre, congratulations sa iyong YouTube channel. Sana more blessings pa, more LS, more content pa ang gagawin ninyo sa inyong YouTube channel para sabay-sabay natin maabot ang ating mga pangarap. And yun guys, please click and subscribe sa kanyang YouTube channel. Okay? Always stay safe, always pray, be a blessing. Pero laging amazing!